Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Question number 51 from NMMS chapter Mughal Empire. Ramacharita Manasa was written by who? Ramacharita Manasa was written by whom? Options are option A, Manas, option B, Mirabai, option C, Tulsidas, and option D, Chand Bardai. Okay. Ramacharita Manasa was written by Tulsidas. Santa Tulsidas. He has written Ramacharita Manasa. Okay. Thank you.